Hello, Gannon. How you doing? This is just phenomenal. Just phenomenal. I cannot. Are you a draftsman? Have you had previous experience drafting? Because your hand skills are just wow, outstanding. Just this is just a great piece. It's kerned perfectly. Letter spacing is just about perfect. However, I see a little bit of a greater space between that word than I do between that word. So watch that letter, that word spacing itself. As far as letter spacing goes, fire, you're spot on. That word's kerned perfectly, and is kerned perfectly, and ice is kerned perfectly. So you're really, really in there beautifully. A couple of things I think that are inconsistent. You're not really showing overshoot. Remember, overshoot is just, it hangs out. The curved letter forms hang just below and above the X and the baseline and the mean line in lowercase letters, the baseline and the cap line for uppercase letters. But for example, that would mean this E, see how this E looks a little bit small? Actually, the A is a really good example. So see how this A looks a little bit smaller than the N? All of these letter forms being curved should shoot just a touch above that mean line. And this is good right here. Looks like you've done it here. Just a touch below the baseline. And that's called overshoot, and that is in our optical relationships section of the course lecture if you want to review that. This serif right here is just a little inconsistent over here. You can definitely see this. You don't have the apex that you have here. About that. Anyways, as I was talking about that bracket on the E right there. Your serifs are all really super consistent. The brackets are just gorgeous, but this one right here almost flattens out. So that's just a little issue right there. That one's beautiful. That bracketed serif right there. As are the rest of them. Look at that weirdness right there. That's the only issue I'm seeing in your entire composition. The only other thing I can mention is you're pretty, boy, wow, you're good, man. I don't have another issue. I thought I saw something with the E, but now as I look at the E, I'm seeing, wow, this is just gorgeous. Excellent job, Gannon. Fantastic. Thank you so much.